Okay, question number 36, let's get right into it. So we are given these two inequalities here, and it says in the xy plane, if a point with coordinates a, b lies in the solution set of the system of inequalities shown above, what is the maximum possible value of b? So guys, let's go ahead and sketch what these graphs should look like. So if we have a graph here, so y is less than or equal to 5x. 5x is gonna, it's going to have a y-intercept of 0, right? So it's basically just going to be pretty steep, and it's going to go through the origin here like so. And it says y is less than or equal to, so our region is going to be beneath this, right? So it's going to be beneath all this here. Okay. So now for this top one right here, we have a negative slope and a y-intercept at 3,000. So I'll just arbitrarily put 3,000 right here. So this will be 3,000. And what that's going to look like is it's going to look like something that's, pretty steep. And it's going to be going down like this. And what's going to happen here is y is less than or equal to this, right? So if it's less than or equal to, our solution is gonna look like something like this here. Okay, so we want a y value that is the maximum possible value. So the maximum possible value here is actually going to be this point right here, right? This point right here. And if you notice anything about that point, it's actually the points where the lines intersect. So if they intersect, the way we figure that out is just setting them equal to each other, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, well, 5x, if we let that equal negative 15x plus 3,000, I can go ahead and solve for x here. So I will add 15x to both sides. I'll get 20x equals 3,000. Then I'll divide both sides by 20. And I will have x equals, and let's go ahead and divide this here, 3,000 divided by 20. It's going to be 150. So that's our x value, but remember, we want our y value, right? So all I need to do now is just go ahead and plug it back, into either of these equations, actually. So I'm just going to plug it in for y equals 5x. So I'll have y equals 5 times 150. And therefore, y is going to be equal to 750. So this is our maximum y value, okay? It's going to be 750. So yeah, hopefully that made sense, guys. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.